Hi, I'm Zach Ganger, Graduate Assistant for Strength and Conditioning for the Department of Recreational Sports at Texas A&M University. Welcome to this installment of Rec Sports Ask a Personal Trainer. The question that was submitted that we have chosen to answer today is, how do I set up and use the TRX? This is a great question that can benefit everyone because the TRX is an extremely versatile, effective piece of equipment if you know how to use it properly. First, we'll discuss how the TRX should be properly set up. The TRX should be set up using an overhead anchor point between 7 and 9 feet off of the ground. The yellow suspension anchor could be doubled back on itself if needed so that the bottom of the suspension anchor is approximately 6 feet off the ground. The top carabiner should then be attached through one of the intermediate loops of the suspension anchor. Of course, you always want to try to test the TRX by giving it a nice tug before use. Now that the TRX is properly set up, let's discuss how to adjust the length of the TRX. To shorten the length of the TRX, tilt the barrel lock down while simultaneously pulling the yellow tab upward. To lengthen the TRX, simply tilt the barrel lock downward and pull down on it until you reach the desired height. Different types of exercises require the TRX to be set at specific lengths in order to maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. For all rowing exercise, the TRX should be placed in the fully shortened position. For many lower body and ground-based movements such as squats and torso exercises, the TRX should be placed in a mid-length position with the bottom of the foot cradles between 8 and 12 inches off of the ground. For all pressing exercise, the TRX should be placed in the fully lengthened position. Aside from all of the different types of exercises that can be performed on the TRX, another great thing about it is how easy it is to make the exercises more or less challenging. Essentially, one only needs to adjust his or her body angle to increase or decrease the difficulty of the exercise. To increase the difficulty of rowing and pressing exercises, simply decrease your body angle in relation to the ground or move closer to the overhead anchor point. Of course, to make the exercise less difficult, simply reverse this and increase your body angle or move further away from the overhead anchor point. For all ground-based exercises such as hamstring curls and glute bridges, the principle is the exact opposite, in that the further away you move from the anchor point, the more difficult the exercise becomes. While the TRX can be used by almost anyone, it is important to remember that the TRX is very demanding and requires the user to remain in constant focus of quality posture and full body stability. As with all equipment and exercises associated with them, exercises on the TRX should be progressed slowly and safely. Should you have any additional questions on the proper use of the TRX, please feel free to ask any members of our strength and conditioning staff. Thanks for watching this installment of Rec Sports Ask a Personal Trainer. If you are looking for more information on TRX training or for a program designed specifically for you, a Rec Sports personal trainer can create an effective cardiovascular and resistance training program to maximize your results. Be sure to visit our member services desk or call 979-458-1027 for more information. Thanks and gig 'em.